In this video, I'm about to show you how to make a video the way you want on InVideo AI. InVideo AI is a power tool for creating videos quickly and efficiently, even without prior editing experience. It offers a range of templates that helps users generate professional-looking content with minimal effort. The AI automatically selects visuals based on the script, make the process faster. It also provides AI-generated voiceovers and background music for added convenience. The editing interface is user-friendly but may require some learning for advanced features. It offers a free plan at $0, a plus plan at $35 per month, a max plan at $60 per month, and a generative plan at $120 per month. If you want to get started, then click the Try for Free button. You can join with Google by selecting the given option. Now, choose your Google account to continue. By continuing, it'll share all your personal information with InVideo AI. Next, give a topic on which you want to make a video and click Generate a Video. Once the video is generated, review and edit the text to match your exact requirements. After that, customize the style, duration, and the platform. Your video will be ready to continue. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.